All throughout my life, I've always tried to entertain people, to use my capabilities to make people happy. As a kid, I became a straight honor student to please my parents. As an adult, I became whatever I needed to be to please the world. Now, I'm probably only halfway there, but I've done, seen, and experienced many things in life that I'm extremely humbled to even have had the chance of experiencing. They've given me many valuable lessons. My body might be young, but my mind has grown much because of these. Where I am right now in my life is best summed up by NABILA MOHAMAD in a tweet. In the end, we just want the calm. We no longer appreciate extravagance, grand. The noise of the world is sickening. Competition, ranks, status. In the end, we just crave for silence, simplicity, family. We just want to rest our hearts. It's tiring pleasing the world.